When it's time to straighten your curly hair, you could spray on the chemicals, bristle with a blow-drying brush, then waste even more time with a flat iron that literally flattens and fries your hair. Or you could simply brush your curly hair straight instantly with Simply Straight, the amazing new ceramic straightening brush that combines the power of a flat iron with the gentle styling ability of a brush to make straightening your hair as easy as brushing your hair. No flat iron damage, no chemicals, no hassle. And because you straighten and style in one pass, you're done in half the time. The secret is Simply Straight ceramic wrapped bristles lift hair at the root to deliver gentle heat around every strand without flattening or frying your hair.
Flat irons are a problem. It fries your hair, literally burns your hair. But with Simply Straight, it makes it easy, and with one brush, I can get the job done.
Try the chemical straighteners. They stink, they're horrible, and they're damaging to my hair. What I love about Simply Straight is I can do my hair all by myself and have wonderful professional results.
And now, straightening the back of your hair is as easy as brushing it. Any type of hair and any length. Perfect for all ages.
It's a lot easier than having to go to the salon and get blown out and get it styled. With Simply Straight, it's just so much easier. I can do everything at home and still look like I just left the salon.